Hey, it's Megan with WTI, and do you want to know what it feels like to gain a whole extra room in your home? Well, my husband and I now know how that feels thanks to our recently completed Murphy Bed project by use of the WBS Murphy Bed Kit. Absolutely everything is included in this kit, from the spring-loaded bed raising mechanism to all the screws and small metal brackets. All we needed were our building materials to get started with our exciting project. My husband has been a mill worker for over 20 years. He really enjoys his work, and he was super pumped to build this Murphy bed. He was really impressed by the detailed instructions and drawings provided with this kit. He repeatedly mentioned to me how incredibly detailed they are. These plans give you the base design for the Murphy bed housing, but outside of that, the completed Murphy bed project is totally customizable. We could build the Murphy bed with added cabinets on each side with configurations exactly the way we wanted it for our room. We enjoyed working on this project together so much. It saved us a lot of money building it ourselves, and we could choose our own color scheme and our handles. All of the pieces of hardware were incredibly well made and precise. It made the finished project come together so well. The installed legs on the bed fold down super easily, and they're really solid and support the bed no problem. The spring mechanism totally keeps the bed in the upright position, but then when I want to pull it down, it's not hard to pull down at all. We can now use this room as my own personal office and my home gym without having to sacrifice our guest bedroom. And it's all thanks to the WBS Murphy Bed Kit. But that's just my point of view.